Section 5.6, Factoring the difference of two squares. When both terms are perfect squares and you are subtracting, you can set down your two sets of parentheses and take the square root of each term. Square root of x squared is x, so we put the x in the first position in each set of parentheses. Square root of 25 is 5, so we put the 5 in the second position of each set of parentheses. And then we have one of each sign, a plus and a minus. So factoring x squared minus 25 gives us x plus 5 times x minus 5. You cannot do this with addition, only if you have subtraction. Sum and difference of two cubes. A to the third power plus b to the third power equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. This is the formula you need to use when you are factoring the sum or the difference of two cubes. In this case, it's the sum. The difference of two cubes would be a to the third power minus b to the third power. Difference of two cubes equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So depending on whether you have addition or subtraction, you're going to use one of these two formulas when you are factoring perfect cubes. So for example, we are going to factor 8 plus y to the third. 8 is a perfect cube. It can be written as 2 to the third power plus y to the third power. Now remember, our formula said a to the third power plus b to the third power equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we're going to fill that in. Notice our formula says the base of each term goes here and here. So our base of 2 is going to go there, and our base of y is going to go here with the plus sign in the middle. And the second set of parentheses, our formula says to square that base, so here we are going to square the 2. Minus the two bases multiplied together. So minus 2 times y plus the second base squared. So we will have y to the second power. Now right here, we can calculate that out. So our final answer becomes 2 plus y times 4 minus 2y plus y squared. Let's subtract 2 cubes. Remember the formula, a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. We have n to the 6th power minus 2. First, rewrite that n to the 6th power as a perfect square, and that would become as a perfect cube, and that would become n squared to the 3rd power. And 1 is a perfect cube. 1 to the 3rd power is still 1. Negative 1 to the 3rd power is still negative 1. So our two bases, the first base is n squared, the second base is 1. We are going to fill in the formula. A minus b becomes n squared minus 1. A squared becomes n squared squared. AB becomes negative 1 times n to the second power. And b squared becomes negative 1 squared. So now we have a few calculations to do. We can do this one here, and this one here. Final answer is n to the second power minus 1 times n to the second power is n to the fourth power minus n squared, negative 1 times n squared, and negative 1 squared is plus 1. Final answer.